All right, perfect pour there. This is gonna be the best batch yet.
Oh, I remember this. Our first drawing.
Told you I make the best pancakes.
Almost done, little bear.
You wouldn't believe what he did this time.
No way, spill it.
He actually tried to eat the remote.
Bet mine's shaped like a dinosaur again.
Yeah, right.
All right, breakfast is served.
Wow, Dad, these look amazing.
You outdid yourself, Dad.
Is this a star or a starfish, Dad?
Whatever you believe it is, kiddo.
I'm going for maximum syrup today.
Oh, you are ridiculous. That's way too much. No, it's not. You're just jealous.
I am not.
Give me some.
Here, you can have a little bit.
I saw Mom's photo.
Yes, Dad.
I missed her.
We do too.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm late! I'm late! I'm late! I'm late! Hurry up, Dad! Not today, sweetheart. Daddy's really tired.
Why does breakfast feel different today?
Oh, I remember this. Our first drawing. Mommy said pancakes make bad days feel less bad.
Let me help. I make the best pancakes.
You do? Okay, come on.
That's a lot of chocolate chips.
Don't knock it till you try it.
You always say that. Oh no.
I think these might be my best pancakes yet. Watch this one, a perfect flip.
Oh no. Oh!
Smells like smoke. What's going on in here?
We're making you breakfast, Dad. Pancakes.
We just had a little accident.
Emma, what happened here?
I didn't want Sunday to feel broken.
You've done so much. Let me help.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of both of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Love you, Dad. I promise, I'll never let this fade again.
All right, perfect pour there. This is gonna be the best batch yet.
Flip it, Dad, flip it.
Told you I make the best pancakes.
Got you. Oh, no, you didn't. Watch out. Don't you dare. I'm not.
Look at these creations.
Yours is so sunny, honey. Mine's a rocket, Dad, and it's flying to space.
And we couldn't be prouder. All right, who's ready for these slightly lopsided masterpieces?
Oh, they're perfect, honey. Yeah, the best ever.
Ah, perfect as always.
Look at this, it's perfect. Just the way she used to make it.
Can we eat now?
Same time next Sunday?
Sounds good, son.
We'd love that.
Every Sunday. I promise. You know, I told your mom that same joke in high school.
Still funny, Dad.
Yeah, still funny. I'm glad we could do this.
Me too, Dad. Yeah, this is nice.